Hey, you guys, man. Yeah, me and man, we're at the mall, man. And guess what I am tonight, guys? I'm a little monster, guys. Check it out. Yeah, man, with the gold brim. Yeah, man. And I got, like, my bracelets on, man. Check out the monster bracelets, man.
Yeah.
Y'all see that, man? It's kind of dark. Can't see it?
It's very cool.
Man. Yeah, and I got, like, see what I did, guys? I put on the monster tabs, man, if you want to drink my monsters, man.
Yeah.
I got a blue one and I got a black one.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because I'm a little monster. Yeah, y'all. Check it out, man.
Yeah. You look sharp, don't you?
Yeah, man.
Shame looks bad.
Yo, man.
Yeah.
I'm dressed to impress, man.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, man. And
Yeah.
I'm impressing.
Yeah.
In the comments if I'm impressed, y'all. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Absolutely. Yeah, guys.
Yo, Mav's dressed to impress, too, guys.
Yeah.
Let me show you Mav.
All right. You guys, it's Mav, and we're at the Cumberland Mall. And we're about ready to go in and create
Some madness.
madness.
Yeah, we're having some mall madness tonight, guys.
We're here. We're ready to do some parties.
Yeah, man. Yo, guys, Mav's dressed to impress too, right?
Yeah, man.
Check it out. Check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Cool.
Yo, if Mav impressed, leave it in the comments, man. Yo, vote and see who got the best outfit for tonight, man. The little monster or Mav's, what are you, Mav?
Timberland.
Mav's Timberland or I'm the little monster.
I can hide in the woods here.
Yeah, man, he's all camouflage and everything.
Yeah.
Yo, man, I think the other part of the pants will give you away, don't we?
Yeah. A cowboy boy.
Yeah, man. You always got that. You can't camouflage that. It's too big, man.
That blinds you. All right, so we're about ready to head in, guys.
Yeah, man. Yo, guys, seeing me here. Yeah, man, y'all. Yeah, we're staying at the Holiday Inn next door, guys, doing a review on that hotel. We're here at the Cumberland Mall, man, directly across from the Holiday Inn. Y'all can walk over here real easy and just have a lot of fun over here at the mall hanging out. Yeah, man.
All right, we're ready to go in.
Yeah, man.
All right, we're playing some Christmas music in here.
Yeah, man.
Sounds, yeah.
But I'm feeling also Christmassy.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shane's feeling also Christmassy.
Yeah.
Have a funky, funky Christmas.
Hey, look at that.
Oh, man. Santa Express.
Oh, you can put your letters in there.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Check out the train, man.
I got a letter from Santa to go for the North Pole.
Yeah, it reminds us of going to Lancaster.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here you go. You're on.
I'm doing some shopping for my girl Juliet and my other girl Deb, man. Juliet, my girlfriend, and my good friend. Alright, guys, I'm doing it for your entertainment, so I decided we're gonna hit up for your entertainment for a few gifts for my girl, man.
Yeah.
Yo, man, I think I'm gonna get Juliet a sticker, man. Yo, this is my girl's favorite new saying, bruh. Yeah, man, check it out. Yo, check out my D12 ring, man. Cool, right? Yeah, man. They got some cool stickers, y'all. Alright, guys, I think I want to get the crystal Nido. Be like a crystal ball. You can squeeze it. And a Nido Cool Cats. Yeah, man. My girl Juliet will like them. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, I'll show you what I got. I got Juliet a Nido Cool Cats, guys. $45. Yeah, man. And her other favorite thing, crystal balls, guys. This is a Nido crystal ball. Yeah, man. Look at that. Very good, guys. This is only $4.99 too, man.
Yeah, very cool.
Great Christmas gifts. Happy early Christmas. Juliet.